Formax FlashCard setup and operation. When setting up your new Formax FlashCard business card cutter, check to be sure you have all the parts: the operator's manual, power cord, waste bin, catch tray, and the FlashCard cutter. The FlashCard comes with a removable 3.5-inch business card cutting cassette already installed. Optional 7-inch and 8-inch cassettes are available separately for producing larger card sizes. Setting up the FlashCard is quick and easy. Begin by placing the FlashCard on a sturdy level surface. Unfold the in-feed tray from the top of the machine into place. Ensure the see-through top cover is aligned in place. Slide the waste bin in until it is securely in place. Next, install the multi-directional catch tray on the outfeed side, as shown here. The catch tray can be configured several ways based on the size of the cards being cut. In this position, it can accommodate cards up to 2 by 4 inches. Finally, plug in the power cord and switch on the power. With the FlashCard set up and ready for operation, it's time to set the in-feed paper guides. Loosen the thumb screws that hold the guides in place and insert a sheet of paper between them. Slide the guides in until there is about 1 millimeter between the edge of the paper and the side guides. Then tighten the thumb screws to hold the guides in place. The paper should slide freely between the guides. To load a stack of printed sheets, press down on the feed tray and slide the forms under the feed tires. Release the tray when in position. Next, choose one of the pre-programmed jobs on the screen, or create and choose a custom job. With a job selected, input the number of pieces needed. If a 10-up business card sheet is being cut, 10 pieces equals 1 sheet. Increase the number of pieces based on the number of sheets. 50 pieces equals 5 sheets, and so on. The auto setting can be selected to run all the sheets placed in the in-feed tray. To begin, press the Start button. When cutting a job with a printed alignment mark, be sure the mark option is selected. If running without a mark, the edge option should be selected. To change the cutting cassette, remove the top cover and remove the thumb screw, shown here, which keeps the cassette in place. With the screw removed, lift the cassette up and out, off the machine's alignment pins. Install the new cassette, making sure it rests on the alignment pins and that the gears are aligned. Then replace the thumb screw to hold it in place. Finally, replace the top cover. To change the catch tray to match your chosen cut, simply lift off the catch tray and switch the hanging position. To accommodate the largest available cuts, remove the center divider as shown. Please refer to the operator manual for further detail.